Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Bayu Fauzan and I'm from TBI 4. My student identity is T2018 61 and 55. Again, here I want to explain my knowledge about type of qualitative research method. Okay, before I'm going to the main topic, I want to explain about know what is the qualitative research. The qualitative research is one of the research search. I mean the researcher want to observe or the observe of the observe some theme or by theme or the information by the direct interview or use the one on one interview like this, the example, to collect data from the participant. Okay, this is the qualitative research. And next is the main topic is the type of qualitative research method. The first is ethnographic method. Okay. The ethnography method is describing about characteristic culture. Okay, the researcher actually observe and collect the data from the interaction of the group in the social culture, in the social, like from the ethnic and like religion, what is the religion and the tradition, like this. The researcher do not use the like interview because they want to know what is the life about the life of the social or the group of from that social, and by the direct interaction they collect the data and the deep information to what is mean to conduct their research like this. The next is narrative method. The narrative method is collecting data in the form of in the form of cohesive story. So the narrative method is the long period, want the long period to collecting data, because they collect the sequence of event to and make it to the the outcome is the some short story from the research, and actually they use the deep interview and some read some read some various document to conduct their research like this. It is a narrative method because outcome is the outcome is like a short story, so it need a long period to completing the data like this. It is a narrative method. And the next is phenomenological method. Phenomenological method is describing about the experience, the situation of event. Okay, I mean the experience and the situation which is the participant feel it in this event like this. And actually the researcher use the observation, survey, interview to get a deep information and data, or they're visiting some place, they have the event, and they ask some participant in here or some people in there, and they interview the participant one-on-one interview like this to collecting the data about what is the experience of them like this. The next is a ground theory method. Okay. The ground theory method, it's the same, but it is different with the phenomenological method, because if the phenomenological method collecting data about what is the experience of the participant of this event, the people of in the event is what is the experience, what is the experience of that people in that event, but the ground theory method, it is the explain what is the reason, okay, what the reason and the theory behind the event. Okay, they collecting data to develop. The aim is to develop the new theory, and by collecting data and analyzing what is the collecting data and analyzing the phenomenon what behind of this event like this. The next is case study. Okay, the case study describe about what is the experience, the person, the event, and place in detail. So it is same, but with almost same with the phenomenological method, but it is more detail better than the phenomenological method. Yeah, because this describe about what is the experience of the person itself, this event, and this place of this event. So the researcher actually collecting the various information from interview and the direct observation and the historical document to know what is the what is the history of this event or the place. So it is very needed to if the researcher use the case study research like this. And the case study is they can describe, they can be descriptive or the explanatory in nature like this. And the next is, and the last is historical method. From the name historical method, it is so describing about what is the past event to understanding what if the present pattern, or and we can predict the future scenario. The researcher, when use the historical method, it is they not just finding from the like historical document like this, and another review in another literature, but they can be use the interview too. They use the interview one by one on the direct observation to the participant, like when you will know what is the history of some place like this, and you use historical method, you will not just look the historical document, but you need to ask or interview some people in here and use and actually from the outcome is the form of biography like this. Okay, thank you. This is my explanation about the type of qualitative research method. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.